Okay, you're looking at what we've drawn so far. We've drawn the top trim. We've drawn some sides and did an assembly. And so here's the shelf and the bottom, and here's the stretchers that are part of this assembly. And then we took this assembly and placed it under the top and with the top trim. We now need to make a face frame. So we'll just come over here, go to this 2-inch guideline, select our rectangle tool, and come over 2, 3/4, because our face frame parts are 2 inches wide, 3/4 thick. The stiles will be 23 7/8, so we'll push pull this up 23 7/8. Zoom out, make that a component by right clicking, make component, and call it a style, create, and we will also make a rail. So 2-inch guideline, rectangle tool, let's just deselect that style. So now rectangle tool, come over, in the shop would make this 11 1/8, but for the drawing in SketchUp we need to make it 11 inches in length. So 11, 3/4, and push pull that up 2 inches. And use your black arrow to select it, right click, make component, and call that a rail. Okay, now we just need to move these onto our case, and we can do this from the bottom, or we could put it on this one, but let's start with our styles. Select your move tool over here, add your plus sign, which means you're making a copy using the option or control key, and I'm just going to move this over here and get it close, and then I'll make another copy and get it close. And if I go to the underside and zoom in, it'll be real easy to place this. Hit escape. Grab this in the correct spot where I'm grabbing it and put it right there. Okay? Go to your other one. You can pan over. Always zoom in and get to where you can see what you're doing. Don't need a copy. Just gonna grab it right where I did and place it right there. Okay? Now we can grab a rail and begin to place this right where we need it. So grab it back here, make a copy, and it's going to go right into that intersection right there. Intersection and component, click. That should have placed it just right. Let's grab it in that same spot, make a copy of it. Intersection and component again right there. Now this next part may be a little trickier. We just have to zoom under here. Grab it right there where I'm grabbing it. We're going to move it right to there. Make a copy of it. And there she goes. Alright. Zoom out and rotate a little bit here. And now our face frame is on. We zoom out some more, you can see all the parts that we've made all lined up here, ready to be dimensioned out when we make a cut list for our solid wood and our sheet stock. Okay. The next thing we'll be doing is our bottom trim.